guys, this is Michaela at Cold Creek Nurseries in Aiken, South Carolina, and I'm standing outside in the tail end of Tropical Storm Little Debbie. And the wind's just taking these elephant ears all over the place. But I want to talk about them anyway. The elephant ears are a fun addition to your garden and to your yard. They give you that tropical feel. Elephant ears have their name because these large leaves look like the ears of elephants. Real easy to grow. It's a great perennial. We have a variety of kinds of elephant ears. They get different heights with different sized leaves on them. But they give you that tropical feel to the garden. They take sun to part shade, easy care, come back year after year. And they love a well-balanced fertilizer. That could be a 20-20-20 or the 20-10-20. 14-14-14. That well-balanced means your nitrogen, your phosphorus, and your potassium all have the same number. What we like to use is, here we go, we've lost the fertilizer. There it is, out under the tropics. Just a basic espoma fertilizer. This is an organic. These guys are heavy feeders, so during their growing season, they like to be fed really well, probably just like an elephant. But add these to your garden. So guys, we're gonna run these elephant ears on sale 30% off August 16th and 17th through the weekend. So be sure to come in and grab them and get these guys rooted in before we go into winter. And they will be right back next year to give you that great tropical feel in your garden.